If you have to pay back the home loans, we give you two kind of options for rate of interest. Fixed rate of interest and floating rate of interest. Now, fixed rate of interest is always fixed. Whether the market goes up, down, left, right, I mean the market won't go left, right, but it will go up and down, but your rate of interest will be constant. Now, let's talk about floating rate of interest. No, not that float. Not at all that float. Okay, this is totally the opposite of float. Hear me out. I will tell you. Floating rate of interest fluctuates up and down just like the rest of the financial market. So let's go and find out what people know about fixed rate of interest and floating rate of interest. Why don't you follow me? Let's ask some young guns of the country because they're going to make the tomorrow. Do you guys know what is rate of interest?
There's a principal amount and there's 10% rate of interest. So principal amount plus 10% of the amount is rate of interest.
Is it always 10%?
No, it can be anything.
What is fixed rate of interest?
The amount of rate that they charge for everything that you do, like take loan and all.
Changes.
Yeah.
So now you know what is fixed rate of interest and what is
Floating rate of interest.
Now I'm going to give you three situations. You guys have to tell me what to go by. Fixed rate of interest or floating rate of interest. All you guys have to do is raise your placards and say it out loud so that we know what kind of interest rate we should go for in a certain situation. Situation number one. The government has just announced it is going to reduce inflation. Should we go with fixed rate of interest or floating?
Floating.
Fixed.
Fixed.
Yeah. I know this is the right answer, right?
You should have gone by this, yaar. Floating. Yeah. Floating rate of interest because when the government reduces inflation, interest rates automatically decrease. Next, the current market interest rate is at an all-time low of 6%. Fixed rate of interest or floating rate of interest? What will you go by? Fixed or floating?
Fixed.
Floating. Yeah.
देखिए, तुक्का पता है आपको क्या होता है पंजाबी में?
माता जी है, माता जी पे।
तो वो हर बार ही नहीं लगता। Yes, fixed rate of interest because even if the interest rate goes up in the future, you can keep your low rate of interest for the full tenure, save money. Last but not the least, the current market interest rate is almost touching 14%, all-time high. We should go for fixed or floating when it's expected to fall. Fixed rate of interest or floating rate?
Floating.
How many for floating? And how many for fixed? Oh, mera laal. But the correct answer is drum rolls,
Floating.
please. Floating rate of interest. Fixed नहीं. Because it's expected to go down.
ये
पर तू हमेशा से फिक्स पे टिका हुआ था ना, तो तेरे लिए एक स्पेशल प्राइस। भाई तू एकदम फिक्स है। Floating rate वालों के लिए floater chopper. Congratulations. What are you going to do with this expensive gift?
पहले बैंक में डिपॉजिट करना पड़ेगा।
On fixed rate of interest or floating?
Floating.
So remember to have a detailed discussion with your bank and do not forget to watch the next episode of Let's Talk About the Money with Sahil Khattar. Talk about the dum dum dararam dum.